Oh, take it na lang. At mahirap na, baka maano. Okay na, dan na. Baka maano. Dan.
Oo.
Dan na. Dig na yan. Dig. Ay. Dan na. Oh. No. That's not the. Ikaw ang tinaka. Pogi. Dan. Touch it na. Yusef, look at that. Yusef, look at that. Ikaw ang digiding.
Yusuf, catch.
Yusef.
Bebe, yes, catch.
What the fish? Yusef. Hi.
Hold it.
Baka ano sa mukha niya?
Yusuf.
Hi.
This one. Ha.
Yusef. Ding. Hello! Yes, guys! Good. Magandang life po sa inyo lahat. Nakalimutan ko na yung intro ko dahil sobra kaming masaya today because ngayon po ay 11th-month birthday po ni Yusef. Di ba, nak? At nako, wala pa po kami sa loob at talaga namang nakaganyan-ganyan na siya. So guys, samahan niyo po kami. Isa po sa pinagmamalaki ng Dubai, ng United Arab Emirates ang Miracle Garden. Ano bang ano ba Tagalog na Miracle? Miracle. Basta yun. Himala. Oh, tamo mas alam pa ng asawa ko yung Tagalog na. Himala ba yun? Ayan, Himala. Why you know?
Walang himala.
Nora, kasi ng ano. Diba, baby? Are you excited?
I am excited with my son and you.
Okay.
Yusuf.
I'm going to your
Say hi.
Are you excited enough?
Say hi, baby.
Tingnan nyo.
Yes,
Ayan guys, so pasukin na natin guys. Samahan nyo ko. Medyo tirik na tirik ang kaarawan dito sa labas. So see you!
A few moments later.
So yan guys, andito na kami sa loob ng Miracle Garden. Ayun baby, saan tayo? That way or that way? Or that way? Straight. Let Yusuf decide. Where do you want to go first, anak? Huh? Okay. Where do you want to go? Why are you smiling? He's very happy. Very happy? Very happy? Let's go na. Okay, let's go. I think we need to take picture. Magpipicture muna kami guys kasi medyo malolobat na itong camera. So, kailangan natin i-maximize ang gamit. Diba? So, alam niyo ba guys?
Let's go this way.
O, doon na. Ikaw ang digiding. Pak. Oh, malaglag ka dyan. Pam. Ding. Tik. Maybe it's you. Dan. Ooh, you like it here? Gusto niya dito. Ayan guys. Ang puno-puno na bihirang-bihira kami makakita ng puno-puno dito sa Dubai at dahil desierto ito. Ayan, may mga heart pupunta kami dito. You want that, baby? See? Okay. Ito, bebe. Yusag. Ting. Ito. Naku, tuwan-tuwa yung anak mo. Umitingin sa mga babae. Ayan. Guys, dito sa Miracle Garden, kauna-unahang punta ko dito kasama ko ang aking asawa. That time, mag-boyfriend, girlfriend pa lang kami. That time. Diba?
Maybe we came with Ramadan and all those.
You know, first time before, payat pa ako na.
yeah.
Diyos ko, nakalimutan
That
niya
was
ng
the
payat
first
ako. Yeah, that
Ah, the
was the
first time.
first time.
Sorry.
Nagbilanti ka pa nun sa akin.
I know. Oh, I thought you were.
Eto guys, eto yung picture. Papakita ko sa inyo. Pa-flash ko yung picture daan. Dito ba o dito? O basta makikita nyo yung mga picture. Hagilapin ko. Bakit nakalimutan mo yung baby?
I thought you said last time.
Ah, okay. No, the first time. Diba? So now, we are with this makulit na nakatingin sa mga babae. Nakatingin sa mga babae. Ayan na, nagpipicture. Yan. So, ang ganda dito guys kasi maraming bulaklak. Maraming saka yung hangin, iba. Diba? Why you like Miracle Garden? Tell me.
It's a miracle to be here. No, I mean it's nice to see flowers, some plants.
Especially now, kasi yung weather sa Dubai malamig. Mostly kasi,
It's nice
yes,
weather.
nice weather. Kasi dito, most of the month, talagang mainit. Talagang humid.
Yeah,
Ganun.
but from November till March, it's a good weather here in Dubai.
Kaya sinasamantala na namin. Kasi, do pandemic nga, pero still, andun pa rin naman yung social distancing. Diba? Saka, kawawa naman anak namin. Talaga namang naboboring na sa loob. Pero, yan. So, magpipicture-picture lang kami, guys. At medyo nagugutom na ako, baby. Saan ka kakain? Gutom na.
I don't know. What do you want to eat?
Let's see. Ayun.
See something there.
Yes.
Restaurant.
At dami pa nagpipicture lang, guys. So, papakita ko sa inyo mga some of the photos, yung mga moments na pumunta kami dito ng asawa ko. Actually, 4 times ko na ngayon. This is my 4th
Yeah, I
time.
think so.
4 times. So, yun guys. See ya!
One eternity later.
Naku guys, yung anak namin, pumitas ng bulaklak na ahuli ng isang guard. No. Si Yusuf, ano tawag doon? Basta
He
yung...
plucked the
yung ganun.
flower.
The flower is colored. Dito tayo gagawin. Diba ang ganda guys? Tingnan nyo naman. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Nagpipicture. Ayan. Bumabalik lahat ng memories naming mag-asawa. Nung kami mag-girlfriend, boyfriend, pa lang. At saka nung, hindi, we went here with Yusuf then before, pero maliit pa siya.
I know.
See, very nice. Eto yun. Yeah. Okay, let's
Here,
have a
maybe.
picture.
You can go there.
Saan, baby? Doon? Or not here?
The light will come later, I think.
Okay, sabi asawa ko doon sa kabila. Guys, wala kaming ginawa kundi mag-picture, mag-vlog. So ayan, nag-set up lang kami. Ito ang aming tawag dyan. Ano ito tawag? Pero ayun siya. Teka lang, videoan ko lang ito mag-anak. Yusuf!
You like it?
Gusto niya?
He's surprised.
What
Yes,
is
baby. Look
Yusuf,
at
Yusuf,
that elephant.
Look at that elephant. You like that?
You like it? Water.
Sa Thailand, anak, madami niyan. Sino naman guys? Ano to? Ito parang ano siya, hindi parang. Babae siya na, yan, ito yung kanyang hair. Yes. Diba? So, sana makarating pa tayo dun sa castle. Pupunta kami dyan mamaya dun sa taas guys.
Elephant. Yeah, wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Hello guys! Ayan si Yusuf. Hello po! We are here in Miracle Garden. Gusto ko yung beauty proper ko. Nasa ng anak mo.
Yusuf.
Say,
Give me this hand. Hello. Yusuf.
hello.
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 Hello, baby. Hello. Oh, very good.
Clap, clap, baby, clap.
Ayan guys, hindi ko tiyo sa mahirap mag-picture. Diyos ko Lord, isa pa yung tatay di marunong mag-capture. Hindi kasi, di ba? So ayan, ang ganda ng place. Pakita mo yung place mo. Sobrang ganda.
Yes.
Sobrang ganda.
We have some elephants
At etong makulit.
and we have one rabbit.
Rabbit!
That's our rabbit.
Di ba? Soon siguro, we don't know, baka next year, ano na talaga, every year. Baby, pakita mo na.
We can go there.
Happy 11 months, baby! Happy 11 months! Clap, clap, clap! Clap, clap, clap!
Clap, baby, Yusuf, clap.
Clap, clap, clap! Clap, clap, clap! Happy 11 months, baby! Ayan guys, magtututo pa kami ha. At mamaya, samahan nyo kami kasi kakain kami. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Bye! See you later!
A few moments later.
What do you want, baby?
I don't know.
Merong Pizza Hut doon. We can go there.
Okay, let's go there.
Just for, ano yun.
And then, okay.
Hello guys! So ngayon, tapos na kami. Hindi na namin nalibot lahat. Kasi syempre may kasama kami baby. So hindi ganon kadali. Dahil doon, gusto sana namin umakyat doon sa may pinakataas. Kaya lang, may appointment ako sa dentist ko. So, ngayon naghanap lang kami ng makakainan. Pero hindi man totally kain agad. Kumbaga kahit konti meron lang kami makain. Dahil sa wala na kaming time. So meron kami, kailangan, we only have 1 hour to para makarating doon sa dentist. Dahil kung hindi na naman ako makakapag adjust. Ayun guys. So samahan niyo kami, kakain na kami.
You want pizza or what?
Oh, what do you
How
want?
long does it take?
Matagal pa din.
What about this?
2,000 years later.
So guys, di kami nag-pizza Hut kasi 10 minutes pa lang. So doon kami sa fastest way. Fastest way. Kasi yung pinakamabilis na makapag-prepare. So nandito kami. Bubili kami ng nachos. Ayan. Diba? Cheers. Ano? How is it? Not choice, diba? Ang anak mo. Dudu. Good for you, bebe. It's not good for you. That's not for you. Gusto niya to eh. Hindi pwede, bebe. No, don't fight with me. Don't fight with mommy. Why you are fighting with mommy? No. No. This is not good for you. Still a baby.
He said that's low. Let's go. See?
Wow, you want to go there?
Let's go, Yusuf. Yusuf. Baby.
Yusuf, kiss mommy. Yusuf, kiss mommy. Andun sa bag. Baby, Yusuf, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy! Ayaw magpa-kiss. Yusuf, Yusuf, kiss mommy. Ay, lobat nata. Yusuf, Yusuf, Yusuf. Kiss, kiss. Ayaw mag... Bakit yung face mo mas maliit sa space ko? Sa face ko. Space. Bulol, bulol. Bulol ako, bulol. Ayan guys, tingnan ang ganda. Hindi na kami nakapagpapicture with Yusuf kasi ayan na siya. Knock out.
نطلب منك المحافظة على التباعد الاجتماعي لما لا يقل
ترى
عن
أنا- ترى أنا.
الوفاء بينك وبين الآخرين
Dapat magpipicture kami dito. Nakatulog na eh.
والدعم طوال الوقت.
So, ayun guys. So, maraming salamat sa sama niyo sa amin sa pag-celebrate ng 11th month birthday. Ang ingay nung isa. Ano sinasabi ko? Ayan, may ballerina pa sa likod ng asawa ko. Oh, pa. Ayun guys, again. Mag-outro na ako, bebe. Baka gusto kong mag-outro. Mag-thank you ka.
Thank you very much for visiting our bahay.
Bahay, our channel. Today, ulol na naman. Celebrate namin ang 11th-month birthday po ni Yusef. And, next video natin, ay alam niyo na, 1 year na siya. So, napakabilis po ng panahon. So, doon na lang sa video namin sasabihin ang gusto namin sabihin. But for now, bye na muna po. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
God bless you all. Mwah.